who either migrated to Quetta and other places or were living there from ages. Pashtuns, of course, are part of Balochistan. Punjabi migrants, and then other tribes living in Balochistan. And there was complete harmony and peace existed between all these segments of society for a very long time. Nature designed Balochistan in a manner where, with much smaller population, geographical distances brought up a challenge by itself. Distribution lines spanning over hundreds of kilometers between two communities. Challenge of grid, challenge of distribution, and so on and so forth. Road infrastructure is again a very big challenge, if not more, because without proper road network, how could you commute efficiently to schools, colleges, industries, cities, towns, etc. And then, of course, other challenges etched in history. Now, the question at issue is that how to meet these challenges so that the people of Balochistan, Baloch, Pashtun, and all other communities living over there should not only own Pakistan, but also feel active participants and beneficiaries in Pakistan's trajectory of economic growth. So, ladies and gentlemen, in a capsule, these are the challenges which need to be discussed, addressed, and conclusion drawn which would benefit not only the people of Pakistan, but Pakistan as a country, as a nation. So, let me now address this part of our discussion and discourse. As I said, and have mentioned some of the challenges, it requires financial layout, financial resources to address these challenges. Therefore, back in 2010, when NFC award was being discussed between federating units and federal government, at that point in time, Sayyid Yusuf Raza Gilani was the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and Honorable Asif Ali Zardari was President of Pakistan. So at that point in time, NFC award, new NFC award was under discussion. I would like to mention in all humility that in Lahore, all four chief ministers were gathered together along with their finance ministers, and of course, 3 days marathon session went on without break. Of course, when the night fell, we would go for a few hours rest and then gather next morning again. Complete 3 days, we were locked in a room. And ladies and gentlemen, what unlocked the entire discussion, bringing it to a very harmonious discussion and win-win solution, was, I would like to say in all humility, the province